Good morning and once again welcome to my YouTube channel, Maths with Ease by Mr. Kamotho. And in this video I want us to understand example 10 of Algebra 7. And now that we have learned how to use quadratic formula, I would want us to solve 3x squared minus 8x plus 2 is equals to 0, giving answers correct to 3 significant figures. And I choose to use quadratic formula. The quadratic formula, as you know it now, x is equals to minus b plus minus the root of b squared minus 4ac and everything over 2a. That is the quadratic formula as understood and also as derived as proved in the previous video. Now I would want us to line up our players here. In this equation, our A is 3, our B is -8, and our C is 2. So substituting in the formula, we have x is equals to minus b. So minus -8 is +8. Plus or minus minus 8 squared, because that is b squared, minus 4 times a, which is 3, times 2, which is c. Everything over 2 times a, 3, which is a 3. Now I want us now to use the calculator. As we say, x is equals to 8 plus or minus the square root of -8 squared is 64, and we have to talk of 4 times 3, which is 12, times 2, 4 times 3 times 2, which is 24, and therefore minus 24, everything now over 2 times 3, which is a 6. Now x continues to be 8 plus or minus the square root of 64 minus 24, which is 40. We are going to get the square root of 40, and as you can see, 64 minus 24 is 40 all over 6. Now, what is the square root of 40? Let us consult our calculator. What is the square root of 40? Is equals to, in decimal form, 6.325. So we continue to have our x to be equals to 8 plus or minus 6.325, as you can see, 6.325 all over 6. And because division is the very last step, I would want to say just beside here that x is either 8 plus 6.325 over 6, or x is equals to 8 minus 6.325 over 6. Let us evaluate the first one and see what our value of x is. So possibly we have plus 8, that is that, and then you divide by 6 is equals to that. In decimal form, 2.387, 2.387 to 3 decimal places. What about the other one? 8 minus 6.325 is equals to You divide this by 6 is equals to, in decimal form, 0.279. That is what we have. So we have two possible values of x, and there they are. As simple as that, and they are to 3 decimal places. Thank you.